HUMA stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Humacyte stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only person in this stock trading space that has done well over 43,000 video track record, over 5 years old, documented on my YouTube channel, showing you what's working, what's not, what's actually printing me money, so you don't have to spend all your resources, you know, figuring it out. Now, generally speaking, it's still a bullish market for me. Like top wise is 294, 295. The same way I look to print it up here, I'm looking the same way, you know, to just how can I capitalize on just milking the most juice that I can out of this, meaning how can I buy here whilst it making sense. Well, it's simple. Like if the price does not pull down a bit lower and give me a confirmation, then there's just no way that I'm going to pull no trigger here. Like I'm just not going to buy. Very simple. All I will do in the meantime though is just still keep waiting for rules to be met, and if they're not met, then I'm not buying. It doesn't get simpler than this, honestly. So that's HUMA. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. It's free. I'll see you in the next one.